power, speed, and comfort. Gear shift, everything about cars. Welcome to all car lovers. In today's video, we're taking a look at what do you prefer. One of these actually surprised me. Today, we find out together which one is truly better. Let's dive in. Number 3, Bugatti La Voiture Noire, $18.7 million. Coming in at number 3 is the legendary Bugatti La Voiture Noire with a price tag of around $18.7 million. This one-of-a-kind hypercar combines stunning design with brutal performance and stands as one of the rarest Bugattis ever made. Number 5, SP Automotive Chaos, $14.4 million. In 5th place, we have the SP Automotive Chaos, priced at about $14.4 million. This hypercar pushes boundaries with advanced engineering, extensive use of 3D printed components, and performance figures designed to rival the biggest names in the industry. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.